These are the elevators at the Renaissance Hotel at International Plaza in Tampa, Florida. Let's go to 8. And ThyssenKrupp's. Here we are at 8. Let's go back down to lobby. So there's a key card reader on it. I'm guessing that's for after hours. You have just key switches up here. As for emergency phone, it's down here. It's hidden under the badge reader. The key card reader. So, Renaissance hotels. These are pretty fast. There's your certificate. We're gonna ride a different elevator. I noticed that these are elevators 3, 4, and 5. I wonder where 1 and 2 are. They might be service elevators. Let's go to 8. These elevators are all identical, so we're just gonna ride these two. Maybe not quite as identical as I thought. Whoa. It just glitched for a sec. I don't know if I got that in video. It switched, the indicator switched to lobby and going down around the same time that the bell chimed. Also, these aren't quite as identical as I thought. The indicator looks a little different. In other words, the left half of the number display. It looked like on the first one, it was almost like L said LL, 2 said 22, but I didn't see that so much on that one. So we're gonna see if we can get the middle one. We got it right here. I actually paused the video and it came like 2 seconds later. So we're gonna go to 8. And let's end it down at lobby. ThyssenKrupp traditional fixtures. Probably from the mid-2000s. There's your inspection certificate, which is actually, I think they just taped it on here. There is also another elevator that serves just floors 1 and 2. That's going to be a separate video. That will be it.